my name is Ezra Mowry. I work for Brotherly Love Electric. They offer so many different parts, so many different great benefits for the company, making it easy, making inventory management easy. Once you learn, it is a very, very great tool to have that will be an extension of your hands to operate and do a great deal of projects through your warehouse and through your company. What is so great about Ply that I've loved so much and that I brag about all the time is that they're so personal and you can always kind of reach out with questions. So whatever challenges there have been, they've always been met very quickly with somebody who will answer those questions right away. Whenever I first came in, I knew absolutely zero information about anything Ply, anything inventory. So me coming in, I was able to help organize the inventory system, update materials that were there, which was so super easy through the communication that Ply was able to give. I was able to learn so much very, very quickly and very rapidly to where I'm able to now uphold the management system, and it just made it really, really simple and really, really easy. So I've absolutely loved it, and I love to continue to work with Ply.